If you got fine shit on your phone, say her name. Rennie! If you got fine shit on your phone, say her name. Julie! If you got fine shit on your phone and you know it and you not afraid to show it. If you got fine shit on your phone, say her name.
Siri.
This nigga stupid. That nigga said Siri, I'm dead.
I'm so serious. Siri is on my phone. I promise you. I ain't got no bad bitch. No Siri on my phone.
I mean, he do got a point, cause Siri do count as a female.
Siri ain't fine shit though. Fine shit is Alexa, my nigga.
That nigga said fine shit is Alexa, bro. I'm dead. But I gotta agree, fine shit is Alexa. Like, dead ass.
Fuck it, I'ma just say all that name. Maya, Kiki, Cheryl, oh shit, Teresa, Baby, what the fuck?
Yeah, I will not be participating in such activities at all.
If CJ doesn't cover my name, bro, it's over.